We now officially have Hurricane Oscar in the Atlantic Ocean, and this has come out of basically nowhere. It was literally not even named 5 hours ago, and it is now a hurricane. You might be wondering, where is Hurricane Oscar? Is it this area over here? Actually, no, that is Tropical Storm Nadine that just made landfall in Belize. You might think it's this area. It's not that either. This right here is Hurricane Oscar. This is one of the smallest hurricanes that we've ever seen in the Atlantic Ocean.